Welcome to our video on jade plant care and maintenance. In this video, we'll cover the key aspects of keeping your jade plant healthy and thriving. Jade plants require bright, indirect light. Find a spot near a window where your jade plant can receive several hours of sunlight each day. However, avoid placing it in direct sunlight for extended periods as it can scorch the leaves. Jade plants prefer average to warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. They can tolerate slightly cooler temperatures, but be cautious of exposing them to frost or extreme cold. One of the most crucial aspects of jade plant care is proper watering. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. When watering, thoroughly moisten the soil until water drains out of the bottom of the pot. Empty the saucer to prevent waterlogging. Jade plants require well-draining soil. Use a succulent or cactus-specific potting mix to ensure adequate drainage. Repotting is typically necessary every 2 to 3 years to provide fresh soil and sufficient root space. Pruning your jade plant is essential to maintain its shape and prevent legginess. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to trim back any leggy or overgrown branches. You can also pinch off new growth to encourage bushier growth. Jade plants are relatively low maintenance when it comes to fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can feed them with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer once a month. However, it's important not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to nutrient burn. Thank you for watching our jade plant care and maintenance video. Remember to provide proper lighting, watering, and temperature conditions, and your jade plant will thrive for years to come.